Hey Guiding Bolt fans, here's another Harry Potter Christmas ornament. These little potions. Some of them are color changing. And much like the big ones up there, that kind of settles and then you can shake it again. As it separates, it kind of does the swirling again. It's a little Felix Felicius. So they are super easy. You just need some type of container, a vial. These are glass vials. You're going to need some type of string or ribbon. These ones I used water and a little bit of this glycerin and some food coloring. So, and some mica powder. You do need mica powder. And I'll link all this down below. The labels I printed with my color printer. They turn out just like this, and I just cut them out by hand. You can get quite a bit on a big sheet of printer paper, but if you don't want to go that route, I can link some other stickers down below that I just found on Amazon that I think that would work super good as well. So all I did was fill them with water and food coloring, a couple drops of the glycerin, and then different colored mica powders to create the different looks in here. I hot glued the cork in place, and then I used these little earring hooks that you can just get pretty much anywhere. They look like this. And I just used a pair of pliers and I cut off the top part of it so that I just had this, and then I hot glued on top and just stuck it right in the top there and ran the ribbon through. So then I had a little, obviously a little ornament. Oops. As you can see, this one starts out green. And then you shake it, it turns kind of bluish green. I have a full video on how I made these ones up here. I did use a little bit different method. I'll make sure to link that as well so you guys can take a look at that one also. I hope you're enjoying this series, and make sure you subscribe and hit like below if you are. Thanks so much.